Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screenshots not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility and scroll down and click on screenshot. After click on screenshot and turn on 3 fingers touch and hold and turn on 3 fingers swipe down and you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.